Now we have max a function. As the name suggests, it is similar to max function, but it has some kind of modification. So max a function also returns the largest value from a column. It takes column as a parameter, and this is a column in which we are finding the largest value. It returns the largest value as the name suggests, right? And it takes a numeric column or the date column as the parameter. Now, how it is different from max function? Unlike max function, max a function supports boolean values, rows that are equal to true or true values are treated as 1, or the rows that evaluate to false are treated as 0, right? Now, the usage of the max a function is similar to max function, right? If I create a new measure here, let me just demonstrate max a quantity sold, right? Here also max a function. Once I type max a, it shows the syntax and the definition. So here I have quantity column. I am demonstrating the quantity, the maximum quantity we have sold. So inside a card, I'll show you max a wala value, which is similar to the maximum quantity sold, which we created for max function, right? But if I had any boolean value into my map quantity column, there the true value is supported as 1 and the false value is counted as 0. In max a function, empty cells are ignored. If the column contains no values, then that can be used. So max a returns 0 in such case, and this function is not supported for use in direct query mode when used in calculated columns or RLS rules. So this is the usage of max a function. Now I hope you have find out the difference between max function and max a function, and if your column has a boolean values and you have to count the largest value, then you have to use max a function. Otherwise you have to use max function.